Hello, I'm Amanda Randell Cox and I'm one of the tutors for the British Academy of Floral Art. And today I'm just going to show you two different types of bows that you can attach to your Christmas door wreath this year. This first one here that I'm holding up is a very traditional bow with tails that have been placed at the top of the wreath. You can of course place your bow at the bottom or even asymmetrically. So let me just show you how to make this bow, and I will just remove this one that I've made earlier. Okay, so the ribbon I chose really for the traditional one was so that you can see how to make a bow when it's been printed on one side to make sure that the print is always on the top. This ribbon is also wonderfully wired on the edges, which really helps to keep each of the loops in the bow nice and full. So first and foremost, we're going to take the ribbon and we're going to scrunch it under my forefinger and thumb. And then we're going to twist. It's the twisting that actually allows you to keep the print always uppermost and keeping the loops nice and full. So we then take the ribbon and bring it back over the top. So we're always going to be coming back over the top into the middle. So you scrunch under the thumb and twist and bring it back to the middle. Under the thumb and scrunch and then twist. And then bringing it back again under the thumb and twist. Back over the top, under the thumb, scrunch and twist. And I think what we'll do is we'll make 3 loops each side. So again, back into the middle, scrunch, twist. So now we have 3 lovely loops there. And we'll just trim. Here they are. Got a nice pair of sharp scissors this time of year for cutting ribbon, and we just make sure that's cut from the spool. And then we're going to take a 0.90 millimeter wire. In old money it's a 20 swag, and we're going to place the wire in to the palm of my hand here and then out through these 2 fingers at the back. What this does is it allows me to then control the wire without having a wire floating all over the place. So we're going to go round across the top a second time to keep it nice and tight. And then you're going to be left with 2 wires here. You see that above the cream coloured background there. So we've got 1 wire there and then the tall one going up here. Because you went round twice, it's holding everything together. You're then going to take more of your ribbon and measure enough that's going to hang down the centre of your wreath. So you're going to take that off the spool and cut where you need it to be cut. Then you're going to find the middle and scrunch and pull your 2 bits of ribbon down facing front. Then take your ribbon, your bow that you've pre-made, and between the 2 bits of wire at the back, place the tail, holding it all together, and then twist the 2 bits of wire together to secure everything's in place. You can have a little bit of a zhuzh of your ribbon. So all the loops and the ends all look beautiful and are all in the front. Then where you have decided is the place for your ribbon on your wreath, you're going to take the very strong wire and place it through the moss and pull it out the back. And giving it a nice pull so that it's nice and tight. you can see all of the beautiful loops. Just make sure that everything is facing forward. And there you have the first ribbon that I'm going to show you, and this is the very traditional one.